Greetings and thank you for checking out another Black Friday Cyber Monday special. This is for GetResponse. Save up to 40% off on any plan. Let's check out the details. They do have a free plan that you can start with. No strings attached, no credit card required. And when you have over 500 contacts, you need a upgraded plan for 1000 contacts right here. This is the monthly price with the Black Friday deal, $12.75 a month. And for the plus plan, you get extra things like team member accounts and sales funnels. It's more for advanced users. And now let's do the annual pricing. This will also give you a bigger discount, $10.46 prepaid annually, or monthly is $12.75. Let's do some price comparison with Aweber, starting at $20 per month for monthly subscription, 0 to 500 subscribers, which is about 40% higher than GetResponse price, $7 higher. And even with 1000 contacts versus only 500 contacts over here. And then the price for 2500 subscribers, $30. And let's check it out right here, $21. So you're saving almost $9, or about 30% cheaper with GetResponse. Let's compare it with ConstantContact, and the price starts out at $20 per month for 500 contacts and $45 for 2500 contacts. So right here, 2500 contacts, $21 compared with $45. This is like double the price of GetResponse. So currently right now, only GetResponse is having the Black Friday Cyber Monday deals, and they also do have a free plan. So go ahead, try them out. No credit card required, and lock in your savings while you still can. Thanks so much for viewing. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing deals. Thanks again, and happy marketing.